So I get water for my chickens by siphoning out of this creek after it rains, because it only flows for a day or maybe two after a big rain in the summertime. I bring it down to this 55-gallon drum that, as you can see, is completely full of rainwater right now from the creek. I then reconfigure the hose to where it's in here, and then using gravity, I just bring it down here to the waterer and fill it up and clean it off. And when it gets full, I just take out the hose, lift it up over my head, and bring it back up here. Tuck it in the barrel. I usually clean it up a little more. And then I just bring the water into my coop. Plop it down. Move the plug. And there you go. The chickens know where the water is. They're out in the woods turning ticks into breakfast. And, oh, there's one. And they'll come running in no time.